87. We took this exit. I can go 84 west or 84 east. Keep your hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Keep them 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 up. Touch the ceiling. Touch the ceiling. Leave them there. Leave them there. Leave them there. Leave them there. Do not move. I will shoot you in the face, okay? Chill out. Keep your hands on the roof. Partner. Hey, I'm gonna go to this other side, okay? All right. No, keep your hands up. Hey, listen. All right. Keep your hands up. If you drop your hands, I'll shoot you. Hey, roll the window down. Roll the window down. The window down. Roll down the window. Yes. Can I turn the music down? Yes. Yeah. Yes, turn it down. Shut your car off. Do it now. I want you to step out on that other side, both hands raised. Now listen very carefully, okay? If you drop your hands, the chances of you dying are very great. Do you understand? Okay. So listen. Hey, back up just a little bit. Back up just a little bit. Whenever I tell you to, open that door. Both hands to the sky. Do you understand me? Do it now. Both hands, keep them up, or I'm telling you, you'll get shot. All right, look at me. Look at me. I want you to get down on your face. Lay down on the ground, on your face. Keep your hands out like an airplane. Do you understand me? Hey, keep covering off. All right. I'll just keep covering. Yep. Hey, leave them out. Leave them out. I got it. Y'all just keep covering. Listen. Yeah. Cross your ankles. Cross my ankles. Now, hands out to the side like an airplane. Look to your left. Bring your other hand back. You're under arrest. All right. Roll on. All right, we're going to clear the car. You can lower your, there you go. All right, it's clear.